Hey everyone, welcome to my unboxing video. So today I'm unboxing Soulcards by Deborah. This is a deck that I found at Spiritwood in Ohio, Beachmont, Ohio. So if you haven't checked that out, it's a small store, but there's a lot of stuff inside. You got Native Americans, crystals, tons of books, tons of tarot cards. So it's a really nice, small, business-owned store that you can go and support. So one thing that's neat about this is the cards, which are right here, they actually open up and fit in here, and then you can put one on top, and then here is the other box that comes with it. So this actually slides down in there, and then you have a picture frame. So you can actually take one of the cards and have it as in a frame. So that's really, really cool. So that's the box. And then here's the back of it. Now she does have two soul cards. I just got the first one once I got, I think it's called Portal Faces. And that's when I heard about her and really liked her. So I remembered they had this. So right here at the bottom, this package is designed to be reused as a frame for your cards. So, yeah, that's pretty neat. All right, so there's the box, and then that's literally all the cards that she has. So, it looks like there's 60 images in this artwork. All right, and then I'm going to just bring the other part of it here. So, here is the guidebook right here. Nothing too fancy. It's pretty small. So she's not one to really, like, this is not your traditional oracle cards or tarot cards. She kind of just wants you to get your own feel for what you see. So what's really cool is she even talks about combining soul card decks, that this stands alone, or you could also use them and combine with her soul cards too. So yeah, journal writing, an image for your altar. Bring soul cards as to your personal growth or support groups. And then she goes into how to prepare and stuff like that. Music, personal relationships. Yeah. The handprint's pretty cool. But yeah, so she goes in and kind of tells you a little bit of how you can use these. And then that's a picture of her. All right, so that's her little guidebook here. And then here's the cards. So throughout the cards, they all have, and the rainbow you see, that's just the mirror, the light off hitting my phone. My phone's a rainbow phone on the back. Okay, so even on the back cards, there's so much going on in this image here. So many faces and so much other stuff. But anyway, so you got 60 cards. Nothing fancy. It's not painted or anything like that. They're pretty, I would say pretty thick, saying that this is only 60 cards. There's definitely a thickness to them, but they're still easy to carry. I don't think they're too big or anything like that. All right, let's get started. So again, it's not something, these are not numbered or anything like that. It's just images. It's her art. And yes, there's a gloss to the cards. So it's funny, actually, when you pick the cards up one by one, they're not actually like crazy thick. So that's pretty cool. And this one, technically, you could kind of like go that way. Whichever way you want to see it. And that's what's really neat about this deck of cards. It's like, it's whichever way you want to turn it, flip it. That's totally up to you. Oops, sorry. But I really like her artwork. Eventually I will purchase the Soulcards #2. All right, and here's the last one. All right, guys, so that's my unboxing the Soulcards deck. As always, please, if you like things like this, I will be doing this a lot often. So just like my channel, subscribe, and as always, share. That way more people know that I'm on here doing this almost every day. All right, I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.